This quick start guide tells you how to unpack and install the VideometerLab, and how to take your first spectral images. The VideometerLab arrives in a flight case. To open it, turn and open the 4 clips and lift off the top. The transport security bracket is removed by unscrewing the 2 screws and carefully pulling off the bracket. Prepare a stable surface for the instrument, monitor, and keyboard. At least 1.2 meter table is needed. Carefully lift the VideometerLab onto the table. It weighs approximately 15 kilograms or 33 pounds. To mount the computer on the instrument, gently place the instrument on the side. In the side pocket of the flight case, you will find the computer. Use a hex key to unscrew the 2 screws and attach the computer bracket to the instrument. Make sure that the on-off button of the PC is facing towards the front of the instrument. This shows the default mounting on the right side of the instrument seen from the front. If you want the computer mounted on the left side of the instrument, you need to unscrew the bracket from the computer and mount it in reverse position. Cables are located in the flight case side pocket. Attach the 2 USB cables as shown and connect the computer and instrument power to the properly grounded wall outlets. Connect the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Turn on the instrument, monitor, and computer and let it boot. Click on the Videometer icon to start the software. This is the starting page of the software. First go to Imaging Devices, select VideometerLab, and initialize the instrument. Then click on Movement and Up to move the sphere to the up position. Make sure nothing is obstructing the movement. Use the Live function to see live video from the instrument camera. You'll be able to see video of the sphere strobing different wavelengths of light. You can also use the Live function to position the sample, centered under the sphere. Now you're ready to capture a corrected image. You can do this through the menu or simply by pressing F12. The image will now be shown on the screen as a standardized RGB color image. You have now taken your first spectral image, and you are ready to dive into the fascinating world of spectral image analysis.